Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with the same chapter, chapter 3, transformation of sentences. We have already discussed in our first video that what do you mean by transformation of sentences, and we have also revised the 4 types of sentences, and we have also gone through this change of exclamatory sentences into declarative sentence. Now we must move further. Here it is, form from declarative to interrogative. Interrogative, you know, these are questions. Declarative, statement which are used to give information. Interrogative, questions which are used to ask or to get some information. Okay, so and interrogative, you know, we can form interrogative sentences in 2 ways. One, an interrogative sentence may start with either WH word or it may start with a helping verb. WH word means they are what, why, when. If I say what is your name, where do you live, these are interrogative sentences starting with WH words. But when I say are you well now, is he your friend, so these interrogative sentences, they are starting with helping verb. Okay, so or do you have pen, so these are also interrogative sentences but starting with helping verb. So let us see, here a note is given specifically. In order not to change the meaning, use isn't, aren't, hasn't and won't. Means you might have understood the negative form. So while you are changing a declarative sentence into interrogative, if you don't want to change the meaning, what you have to do is you have to make the question in negative. You have to form the question in negative. So here as it is given that a declarative sentence can be changed into interrogative sentences, and interrogative sentence could also be changed into declarative sentence. So a declarative sentence can be changed into an interrogative sentence by putting the verbs before the subject. All of you know that while making a sentence, simple sentence or a statement, the formation of the sentence is subject plus verb. But when we form an interrogative sentence, then the formation becomes verb plus subject. Means when it is in declarative, she is very kind, then in interrogative she will come in starting and it will become. Otherwise we can also make question by asking like this, is she very kind? This is also interrogative sentence. Okay, when we say she is very kind and we want to change it into interrogative, we can also say that is she very kind? That is also a question and use of question mark should be there. But what we are doing here, we don't want to change the meaning of the sentence. So that's why rather than saying is she very kind, we are writing here isn't she very kind. Actually this type of sentence, these type of sentences are to take the others, you can say ki acceptance, that yes, whatever we are saying that is correct. So and second also, I am in class 5, aren't I in class 5. Same like that, when we want to change other declarative sentences which are having has, have or that, or you can say which are having auxiliaries and main verbs both. Auxiliary means helping verbs. For example, when it is written here, she has finished her homework. So here has is used as helping verb and finished is the main verb. So when it is she has finished her homework, it will when we will change it into interrogative, it will become hasn't she finished her homework. You are going to the fair, aren't you going to the fair? I will meet you at the mall, won't I meet you at the mall? So all these are declarative sentences which are changed into interrogative sentences. So and other than that, when a declarative sentence contains the adverbs never, never is negative, never shows that negative sentence, never, no one, neither, all these types of words, they are used in negative sentences. So when it is having never, then it becomes ever in interrogative sentence. For example, I never asked you to do it. So it will become, did I ever ask you to do it? The meaning has not changed. if you can see, you can realize when I am saying I never asked you to do it, that means when I'm asking it as a question, I can say, did I ever ask you to do it? The meaning is same. The meaning is not changing. In the same way, when the sentence contains or the declarative sentence contains the adverb no, then it becomes any in interrogative sentence. There is no fun in doing that. It will become, is there any fun in doing that? And understood? What was the sentence? There is no fun in doing that. It was simple information declarative sentence, but now we have to ask a question. So while forming a question, this helping verb will come in starting and will become, is there any fun in doing that? So I hope you might have understood till here how to change declarative into interrogative.